Hand hygiene, it's one of the most effective ways to prevent transmitting bacteria and viruses from ourselves to other people. But are you doing it correctly and at the right times? In tonight's Wear the Gown, Eyewitness News reporter Jeremy Baker shows us how to wash your hands properly to keep us safe as possible.
What if you could see bacteria and viruses? You can spread them to other people in a matter of minutes by shaking hands, using a computer, and scratching your neck or face. Dr. Jason Bowling, an epidemiologist within University Health System, tells us the most obvious times to wash.
One, if they're ever visibly soiled, you should wash your hands. Anytime before you eat or prepare food, after using the restroom, before you rub your nose, touch your eyes or mouth, it's important to wash your hands.
The average person touches their face about 3 or 4 times an hour and touches their cell phone even more often, which studies have shown can be up to 10 times dirtier than a toilet seat.
You have a device that you're touching, if that's not been cleaned, then your hands probably aren't clean either. So another reason not to use your phone while you're eating.
It's one thing to wash your hands long enough.
The timer or the reminder that they often recommend is if you sing the song Happy Birthday twice, that should take around 15 to 20 seconds.
But are you washing your hands the right way? First, get your hands wet on all surfaces, then put soap on your hands and rub your hands together, including the palms. It's especially important to get between the fingers and fingertips and fingernails because those harbor bacteria. Keep rubbing your hands together for at least 15 seconds. After you've scrubbed your hands, rinse the soap off using a paper towel to dry your hands, and with that same paper towel, use it to turn off the handle of the sink that you just turned on with your dirty hands. Besides your phone, something else those germs are generated on, the TV remote.
It's one thing in your house, probably not clean that frequently. It's also not clean that frequently in other places like hotels where people go frequently.
And always remember to wash your hands after grocery shopping, especially if you touched the child seat on your cart.
25% of those have coliform bacteria because that's where you put baby butts.
Jeremy Baker, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.
For more information about family health, call 210-358-3045. You can also find the rest of the Wear the Gown stories. Just go to wearthegown.com.